Good day and welcome again to another week of tech news. We'll keep the intro short, so as always, remember to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on when we update. We have updates on the launch of AMD's RX 6600 XT, or at least the supposed launch of it, according to YouTuber Cortex. He mentions that the GPU is set to be launched in August, as well as having the MSRP of $399. This is supported by another YouTuber, Moore's Law is Dead, as during his last Broken Silicon podcast, one of the commenters, known as Kepler, suggested that the price of this model could reach as high as, you guessed it, $399. Kepler is known as a leaker who have shared confidential info before, and the fact that Tom, the host of the podcast, recognized him for that makes this seem a bit more credible. Now do keep in mind that no official sources have released any info on the actual launch of the RX 6600 XT, so do take this information with a grain of salt. According to a leak from Eurasian Economic Commission, or EEC, MSI is now developing an RTX 3090 graphics card based on the series called Hydrogen. The Hydrogen series GPU has already been introduced way back on 2008 with the N280 GTX Hydrogen graphics card. The board was among the first graphics adapters equipped with a water block by default and therefore aimed at PCs with a custom water loop. And now, MSI has registered its GeForce RTX 3090 Hydrogen 24G graphics card in the EEC list. It's something manufacturers have to do before importing their products to Russia, Kazakhstan, Armenia, and some other countries. While registration doesn't mean that a product will actually be released, the Hydrogen GPU is still listed in the document, which means that MSI is at least considering launching this product. And now we move on to Intel. As reported by ComputerBase, Intel is now retiring as many as 3 low-power product series, which are Ice Lake Q, Comet Lake Q, and Lakefield series. According to Intel's Quality Document Management System, the last shipment of these SKUs commences in April of 2022. However, the product discontinuance has already started back on 6th of July. The surprising thing is that the Lakefield series, which is Intel's first to support hybrid technology, is leaving the official lineup. Only 2 SKUs from that were ever released, and 2 products based on these series have made it to the market. Technically, this means that Intel will no longer have products supporting hybrid architecture until Alder Lake series arrive. And while Intel is retiring its Ice Lake Q and Comet Lake Q CPU series, they are still prevalent in budget low-power laptop series, as well as already having a successor in the form of the 11th gen Tiger Lake Q series. It seems that the current chip shortage will continue to impact supply, at least until the end of this year, according to an interview with AMD CEO Lisa Su on Barron's. The interview also goes into the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic has had on the company, as well as touching on AMD's plans after its $35 billion acquisition of Xilinx, though we won't be talking about Xilinx acquisition. Now, with the pandemic going on, she mentioned, and I quote, "What's happened over the past 12 years is that the demand has far exceeded even our aggressive expectations." So the trend seems like it'll continue, as she states, "For this year, it's going to continue to be quite tight. I think it's going into 2022. It will depend on a little bit of the dynamics of the market overall." Though the AMD CEO did state that the company will be bringing on more capacity every quarter, so you will see more output every quarter for sure. So at least it looks like they're putting a lot more effort on production to try to overcome this issue. Last month, AMD announced a new program called AMD Advantage, in which they'll be working with its OEM partners to develop high-performance gaming laptops. On the 9th of July, MSI announced the brand new AMD Advantage Edition gaming laptops, Delta 15 and the revamped Alpha 15 and 17, equipped with AMD Ryzen 5000H series processors and the latest AMD Radeon RX 6000M series graphics. Delta 15 provides ultra-high frame rates with RX 6700M, while Alpha 15 and 17 provides 1080p gaming at max settings with the RX 6600M. Both Delta 15 and Alpha 17 and 15 comes with AMD Smart Shift and AMD Smart Access Memory technologies, which provide the next level of speed and responsiveness. They're also equipped with MSI exclusive Cooler Boost 5 thermal solutions, which generate more airflow that easily reduce the core temperature, ensuring smooth gaming performance. With only 19mm slim and 1.9kg lightweight, Delta 15 offers gaming power for those on the move. while the Alpha 15 and 17 provides with a brand new chassis design and a 5mm thin bezel display. From aesthetic portable design to gamer-centric design, the all-new Delta 15 and Alpha 15 and 17 aim to be the best gaming solutions. It seems that the Chinese crackdown on crypto mining has left mining farms to relocate or to try and sell their equipment as quickly as possible, as GPU prices are in decline for the past 2 months. This has led to a flash sale, as a large batch of GeForce RTX 3060 cards can be seen with prices ranging from 2,200 yuan or $336 to 2,899 yuan or $450. A GPU owner can also be seen to sell RTX 30 series GPUs at 50% off, and another seller that possessed RTX 3060 equipped gaming laptops that were used solely for mining has been trying to sell them for $1,000, although multiple users have commented that the price was too high and would only consider if the owner can sell at below $461 for each. Now, most of the time, people will be delighted to hear that the GeForce RTX 30 series graphics cards are now available for sale at very good prices, but in this case, buying one of these GPUs might not be such a good idea. As we've mentioned in our last video, GPUs that were used for mining have been running on high temperatures 24/7 at max potential, so it pays to be cautious to know where you'll get your next GPU. And that's about it for this week. If you feel like you've gained something from this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It's free and it's just a click away. You can also check out our socials for weekly deals on PC hardware, links will be down below. And as always, we'll see you again next week for more tech news, and until then, take care.